Smooth operation, higher throughput and peak performance throughout the life cycle of your ring-geared mill? Absolutely. ABB's ring-geared mill drive solution, RMD, is developed for reliable, long life and low maintenance operation. Its design allows for smooth and controlled starts with just a simple command from your DCS. The mill starts moving slowly in a frozen charge detection mode. Once the ore input successfully cascades, the drive releases the mill to normal operation and it accelerates to nominal speed. The system can even handle fluctuations of power supply, providing constant torque throughout. With the inherent variable speed drive features, the RMD solution optimizes grinding operations to fit actual ore requirements and quantities, increasing throughput and reducing wear on mill components. Once the stop command is given, the controlled rollback function ensures that the mill is brought into a torque-free position without rocking, allowing a stable and smooth stop. The variable speed RMD solution allows for easy maintenance and reduces downtime without the need for an additional inching drive. In addition, the mill local control panel can be used to rotate the mill to the exact orientation necessary for maintenance, such as replacement of liners. The grinding process, being a significant part of the ore beneficiation activity, requires reliable solutions to ensure optimal results. Your choice of drive solutions impacts performance, flexibility and efficiency of operation throughout the lifetime of your mine. ABB ring-geared mill drives come with inherent features such as accurate load sharing, frozen charge protection, precise torque control, thus reducing mechanical stress on your mill. With this state-of-the-art solution and over 4 decades of expertise in mill drive engineering, we help you achieve operational excellence.